Hi, Assalamualaikum. Good day, everyone. Today I'm presenting a new predicum in technology management focusing on our initiative, autonomous drone emergency aid for highway use. Our goal is to solve the critical bottleneck of the highway first response using aerial robotics. Before we look at the operation, let's establish the foundation concept management of technology and engineering management. Management of technology or MOT is the strategic integration of technological capabilities within the business objective. In the context of our drone company, MOT is the big picture strategy and how we choose to invest in AI, IoT, and UAV system to fulfill our mission of saving life and gaining competitive advantage. Engineering management, on the other hand, is the operational leadership of technical personnel and process. If MOT is deciding what technology we need, engineering management is leading the aerospace and software engineers to actually build, test, and maintain that complete drone fleet safely. That brings us to a critical question. Why is it so important for industry to adopt a new technological paradigms? Simply put, the traditional operational model are often physically incapable of solving modern bottlenecks. Take highway emergency response as example. The traditional paradigm relies entirely on ground ambulance. The critical flaw here is that the ground transport is severely delayed by the massive traffic jam caused by the highway itself. By adopting a new paradigm, in our case, transitioning to autonomous aerial logistics, we completely bypass those physical ground barriers. Embracing this new paradigm is not just about buying modern tools, it is about fundamentally rethinking of our operational limits so we can guarantee medical aid arrive within the critical golden hour of the accident.
Assalamualaikum, I am Zul. I will continue this presentation for the technical operation of our business. A rescue automates its emergency response system using smart sensors, IoT, cloud computing, and drones to reduce manual delays and speed up rescues. So for the first one, detection. Impact sensors detect a vehicle crash and send the data to a microcontroller unit. Analysis. The data is sent via IoT to a cloud server which evaluate how severe the accident is. Action. If severe, an autonomous drone is immediately deployed to deliver first aid and provide live video. If not severe, the system simply sends out monitoring alert. So this is the flowchart for the operation of our project. When accident occur, impact sensor detect collision data, and data will process by MCU, that is microcontroller unit, and then data sent via IoT cloud server analyzes the data. If the accident is severe, it will deploy drone and live video monitoring and send emergency aid delivered. And then, if not, the accident is not severe, it will send alert and end the operation.
For communication and collaboration, technology provide manager with accuracy real-time data so they can smart evidence-based choice during the critical moment. Categorizing monitoring, a main dashboard display live operation data gathered from drone surveillance and field sensor. Active response, manager use use this information to decide the best emergency strategy and allocate resource efficiency. Future planning, historical data and analytic tools are used to spot trend evaluate hardware reliability and prevent future issue.
Alright. Next, I will explain how technology empowers decision making in aero rescue tech 9 Berhad. Technology enables managers to make faster and more accurate decisions by providing access to real-time and reliable information. In the aero rescue system, data is collected through sensors, GPS modules, IoT communication system, and surveillance drones. All of this information is displayed on a centralized dashboard, allowing managers to monitor emergency situation and system performance effectively. For example, when an accident occurs, the system provides important information such as the accident location, severity level, and available drone status. Based on this data, managers can quickly determine the most appropriate emergency response strategy. This reduces uncertainty and improves decision accuracy during critical situations. In addition, historical data can be analyzed to identify trends, recurring issues, and areas that require improvement. This helps company enhance future operation and improve overall system efficiency. Advanced analytics also assists managers in evaluating the performance and reliability of hardware, communication networks, and software systems. As a result, decisions are based on evidence and data rather than assumption. Therefore, technology plays an important role in improving managerial effectiveness, optimizing resource allocation, and ensuring that emergency services are delivered efficiently and reliably.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi taala wabarakatuh. My name is Magad Nur Hakimi bin Magad Khairi Shafli. My matrix number is CN240211. So I am going to present about driving innovation and adaptability. So first, let's look at how we are constantly upgrading our capabilities. By aggressively adapting artificial intelligence and next generation IoT technology, we are directly pushing the boundaries of what our hardware can do. For error rescue, this means tangible, real improvements. We are significantly sharpening our sensor accuracy, extending our drone flight times, and boosting our overall payload capacities. We are not just keeping up with the industry, we are actively engineering better tools to get the job done more effectively. But building great tech is only half the battle. The real challenge is, let's look at the second point, staying relevant over time. To ensure we never stagnate, we commit to a rigorous cycle of regular system testing, continuous software updates, and true performance evaluations. This proactive approach ensures that our ecosystem is never left behind. It gives us the agility we need to quickly pivot and adapt to new market demands and unexpected technological shifts. In short, by continuously upgrading our tech and rigorously testing our system, Aero Rescue remains agile, reliable, and always ready for the future. That's it from me. Thank you.
From the enchanted customer relationship, digital platform, and customer relationship management system are used to build trust and improve the user experience. Transparency, customer get real-time notification via mobile apps about drone deployment status and estimate arrival time. Feedback loop. The company use digital platform to collect user feedback, which help them improve product performance and personalized service. Better support. CRM system track customer preference and past interact, allowing for faster support and stronger partnership with premium vehicle user and government agency.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Wan Firdaus. Today I will present about the challenge and implication. For the operational challenge, the technical and infrastructure limitation. There are 3 points. So the first point is the error rescue relies on the stable communication between sensors, MCU, and cloud servers. The second one is the weak network coverage in remote areas may delay accident data transmission. And then the third one is the delay can affect accident severity assessment and drone deployment. So for the environmental challenge, there are 3 points. So the first one is drone performance is affected by weather conditions, and the second is the heavy rain, strong winds, and poor visibility can reduce flight stability and delivery accuracy. And last one is this condition may slow emergency response during the critical situations.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Shalani Iqbal bin Razali and my number matric is CN240285. And the second challenges for our project is regulatory and security challenges. The first one is regulatory and safety constraints, BVLOS, which represent beyond visual line of sight drone operations require approval from CAAM, which is Civil Aviation Authority of Malaysia. And second is the approval process is complex and time consuming. Strict regulations are necessary to ensure public safety. And the second is cost and data security challenges. High investment is needed for IoT devices, cloud infrastructure, and drones. Continuous maintenance and software updates increase the operational cost. And lastly, cybersecurity threats may compromise sensitive accident data and system reliability.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Ahmad Azri bin Abu Bakar, number matric CN240251, and I will talk about the challenge. The second challenge is customer relationship challenge. So, the first issue is public trust. User may question the reliability of an autonomous rescue system. It's one thing for a drone to deliver a package. It's another to trust it during a life or death emergency. On top of that, privacy concerns come into play. A system doesn't constantly monitoring accident scenes. Capturing footage and data can make the public uneasy, and that unease directly affects how willing people are to accept the technology. The second, the managing expectation. The second issue is managing expectation because this is marketed as an emergency response system. Customer may expect immediate response time. Every second matters to them, but reality doesn't always cooperate. We already saw that extreme weather condition can limit drone performance. So there's a gap between what people expect and what the system can realistically deliver under tough conditions. And the gap needs to be managed carefully. Lastly, the privacy and ethical concerns. The third issue is privacy and ethics, because real-time monitoring is necessary for the system to work, but it has to balance safety against people's right to privacy. If that balance isn't handled well, ethical issue can surface, and that could affect the public resistance. That can lead to the public resistance or even legal concerns down the line. So it's not just a technical design question, it's an ethical one.
To address these challenges, how our engineering managers must evolve. It's no longer just about technical design. Managers must become effective communicators who can clearly articulate the value of our technology to the public. They also need to lead with ethical governance by ensuring our data policies are transparent and secure. Ultimately, our managers must foster a user-centric culture where we don't just build systems but actively use customer feedback to ensure our technology truly serves those in need.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Saddam Mukesh Mazlan. Today I will talk about my slide, which is conclusion. This slide summarizes the overall finding of our project on aero rescue, tech Sdn Bhd, and the adoption of new technology management paradigm. First, advanced technology such as IoT, cloud computing, smart accident and detection system, and autonomous drones significantly improve emergency response efficiency and reliability. This technology enables faster accident detection, quicker decision making, and rapid delivery of emergency assistance, which can help save lives during critical situations. Second, successful implementation requires organizations to overcome technical and security challenges. Issues such as network reliability, cybersecurity threats, system maintenance, and regulatory compliance must be properly managed to ensure that the technology operates effectively and safely. Third, engineering managers play a vital role in driving innovation and technology adoption. They must coordinate multidisciplinary teams, manage resources efficiently, ensure compliance with regulation, and continuously support innovation within the organization. Finally, effective technology management contributes to improving public safety and sustainable organizational growth. By leveraging advanced technology while addressing implementation challenges, Aerorescue Tech Sdn Bhd can enhance service quality, strengthen public trust, and maintain long-term competitiveness. In conclusion, the integration of modern technology into emergency response operation demonstrates how a new paradigm in technology management can improve operational performance, increase public safety, and support sustainable business success. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nur Irfan Dinal bin Maulan. My metric number is CN2404 and 58. So today, I will present about the part recommendation. So the first one, strengthen digital infrastructure. We can improve communication networks, cloud system, and backup facilities. Next, extend cybersecurity. We can protect accident data from cyber threat and unauthorized access. The third one is strengthen regulatory collaboration. We can ensure compliance and accelerate bifrostros drone approvals. The fourth one is invest in research and development. We can improve accident detection and communication technology. Next, promote public awareness. We can educate the public on system benefits, safety, and data privacy. The next one is develop human capital. We can enhance leadership and decision-making skills. So the last one is implement customer-centric improvement, improve service quality, and user satisfaction. So that's all from us. Thank you.